Hey YouTube, today we're going to install one of those holster grips on this little North American Arms 22 Magnum. And before we go any further, I'm going to show you there's nothing in this gun and we are safe to proceed. So what we have here is we have one of these folding grips for a North American Arms 22 Magnum, and I'm going to show you how to install it in this and what it actually does. And these things are a little tricky sometimes, so please bear with me. I'm not a professional filmer, but I'm going to tell you what we have here. We have a little Allen key. We have the little grip here. We have no instructions. We just have this little exploded view of what it's supposed to look like, and we have a little bag full of parts. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. All right, we're gonna dump all this stuff out right here in front of us, and there's what we have. So we're gonna start off here. We're gonna take this old grip off. We're just gonna use a little fine machine screwdriver and remove the factory wood grips from the gun. Sometimes they're a little tricky. It's just a little teeny tiny screw. And there's one screw that holds it on, and you take it apart. We're going to set those to the side. So what we have here is we have these little inserts here that fit right into the frame of the revolver, one on each side. So we're going to snap these into place, and they just drop right down into the frame of the gun. They fit just like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this little detent here. We're going to stick one of these detents on the very bottom here and just fish it up in here. And hold it with your finger, and then we're going to drop a spring right inside here. This little spring, we're going to drop that right inside there. And then we're going to take the other detent and fit it right on top of the spring. Just so, like this. This is a real tricky little thing to do here, folks. Okay, so I'm holding this together. This is held together with the spring. Then I'm going to take this grip here, and I'm going to squeeze this spring together and fish this grip on until it presses that spring together. And we're going to walk it all the way down until it snaps into place inside that detent right there. So then we're going to line this up just like this, and we're going to drop this little bushing thing here into the hole. We're going to fish it through here. It's really hard to do this on camera, but fish it through, and we'll start one of the little Allen heads in here just like this. Very easy. Sometimes these things can be a little tricky, folks, but don't let it whoop you. So somebody invented it so somebody can put it together. And then we'll take the other side and start it. Real simple. And once you get them started, you just take this little Allen screw tool that's included with it, and you tighten it down. And there it is. It's on. So basically what you have here now is you squeeze this little detents together, and this thing folds up into it just like that. And when you want to pull it out of your pocket, the detents go into it, and it works like a full-size gun. Now what it also comes with is these little covers. One side here, you're going to take this little thing here and insert it into this hole here. This is just a cover that covers the hole, and turn it just like that. And the other side, we're going to put the belt clip on. So we're going to take this thing here, same concept, it only goes in one way, and then twist it down. Well, I say it goes in one way. Fish it in this hole, really simple. And then rotate it on. Well, I don't know what we got going on here. And there it is, belt clips on. So when you do this, you fold this down, you can put that on your belt clip and carry this around kind of like a pocket knife. And pull it out of your pocket, snap it open, and you have a full-size grip to shoot this little miniature North American Arms revolver. So anyway, folks, I know I'm not the best at doing things on camera, but hopefully this helps you and shows you how to install a folding holster grip on a North American Arms 22 Magnum. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Not an expert on installing stuff, as you can see, but hopefully this helps somebody. And thank you very much for watching my video today, folks. And you folks have a great day.